That's part three, as you can see. They out. They coming to pick that food up to store it for later. See? Mama one just put it over there for the little ones, and then I even saw two of them. They was eating it and putting it in each other's mouth. Yeah, I don't know if she was pregnant or not. Not really sure, but I'm sorry my footages are so random and brief, but I try to catch them right where I can. And as soon as I turn the camera on, I don't know, maybe they sense that they're on camera, they disappear. So this is part three of feeding the birds. Hopefully some of them will come over here. So if not, tune in for what part four of feeding the birds. Don't you go anywhere.